Hello students, this is a tutorial on how to complete the supply and demand assignment. In slide 1, it just indicates the assignment that you're currently working on. Slide 2 is an introduction to economics, so you can see numerous terms that you will see as you complete the assignment. Slide 3 are the different types of economies. Slide 4 includes the definition for demand and supply. Slide 5 is how supply and demand determines prices. So you can see the 4 basic laws of supply and demand, as well as the definition of market equilibrium. Slide 6 includes the circumstances that change supply and demand, and this is broken down into 2 categories, demand and supply. Slide 7 and slide 8 include examples of how those 4 basic laws are applied. Slide 9 is the start of the assignment. Slide 10 includes the first few questions I'm looking for you to respond to. Slide 11 is where you're going to apply what you learned in slide 5, those 4 basic supply and demand laws. Once you have answered the questions above, you're going to be choosing one of the graphs below. To do that, all you have to do is click on the graph that you would like to choose and drag that under the answer, and voila, you are done applying or creating the graph needed. You're going to do the same thing for slide 12 and slide 13. Slide 14, again, just looking for you to answer the question. And then slide 15 is an opinion question. And I'm looking for at least 2 to 3 sentences here. With all that in mind, that brings us to the end of the explanation of the supply and demand assignment. If you have further questions or concerns, don't be afraid to reach out. Thanks everyone. Bye.